Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your Pinterest profile public. Alright, so if you have a private Pinterest profile, you can make the profile public again, and you can check if you have currently a private Pinterest profile. When you open up your profile, you're gonna see this lock icon here, and as you can see, if you hover over it, you can see that your profile is private. Only approved followers can view your profile, pins, sports, followers, and following lists. If you want to change this back to a public profile, here is how to do it. So open up your Pinterest account, pinterest.com, sign in into your Pinterest profile. Then in the top right corner, click on your profile icon, which will open up our profile page. Then if you want to change our Pinterest private profile to a public profile again, all we have to do is click on this down arrow, then select settings. Then on the left, click on profile visibility, and we have to turn off private profile here. Then once you have turned this on, we can click on save, and as you can see, profile visibility saved. So now our profile is public again, so people can follow us and check out our profile from search engines and so on and so forth. So now this is how you can make a private Pinterest profile public again. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Pinterest checklist for free, or the Pinterest SEO growth checklist and other Pinterest marketing resources and deals, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use and grow your Pinterest account, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials on Pinterest marketing and other marketing platforms as well.